Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today, and I hope you guys are continuing to grow that business each and every day. And now that it's Q4, I hope you guys are going to continue to put in as much work as possible to make this a great holiday season for everybody. So, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my goals for this holiday season, and I hope you guys comment down below your goals so that I can kind of get an idea of what everyone's trying to accomplish. And I would love to just have a conversation with you guys down below. So definitely tell me what you guys' goals are. I'm about to share mine with you. So let's just dive right into it. Why not? Let's start with eBay real quick. So the past 2 months on eBay, I have hardly touched it. Okay. Horrible thing. I hate it. But I have not touched eBay to the extent that I did about 2.5 months ago. I was making over $2,000. I was profiting $2,000 on eBay, which was absolutely awesome. I didn't think I would ever get there. It's just surreal to think that, hey, you put in the work, you make money. It's that simple. You buy stuff, you list stuff, you ship stuff, you make money. You obviously have to know you have to know what you are doing, but put in the work, you'll see success. And that's what I haven't been doing that on eBay the past 2 months. I've been focusing on Amazon, which I have been increasing drastically. I've definitely seen my sales and profit double over the past 2 months that I haven't been working on eBay. But I really want to get eBay back in. I have all this stuff, as you can see behind me, all these board games, all these figures, everything on that back shelf right there is stuff that needs to be posted on eBay. I posted about 10 items last night. After I get done making these videos, I'll be posting as much as I can get done tonight. Hopefully about 10, 20, hopefully maybe even 30. I still got it like about 4 hours before I got to get to bed. So hopefully I can get a lot of stuff done tonight. But really what I'm focusing on for this Q4 is getting as much as I can listed each and every day. So if you have an eBay account and that's what you're really focusing on and you're not really dealing with Amazon, that's easy, right? You have a zone that you want to stick in. You want to get as many listings as you can done. It's quite simple, right? So for me, I have to go out and buy stuff for Amazon and of course for eBay as well, but I need to get eBay its own little time. And it's difficult to do that because when you're sitting here, you want to get eBay done, or Amazon done. I want to get Amazon done. I want to get it shipped out. I don't have to deal with it, right? It's just passive. It just comes. I make all this money and I don't have to deal with it. With eBay, I have to list it. I have to take the photos. I have to list it. I have to do all the description, all that stuff, right? And then I have to pack it and ship it. And it's a lot more work, but it's a lot more rewarding in a sense that I have made more on Amazon or more on eBay than I have on Amazon in 1 month, right? So my highest month on Amazon is $1,500 in profit. My highest month on eBay was about a little over $2,000. Okay, so I've made more on eBay because eBay's profit margins are bigger, right? So if I buy, say that toy I bought there for $15 and it sells for $50, I'm making a decent amount of money, right? I'm making about $20. I'm not sure that's how much it sells for. I haven't looked it up yet. I'm gonna make a video about that. That's gonna be a bonus video. We're gonna look that up together. But say I make $20, $30 for something on eBay. On Amazon, man, that's $2, $3, $4, $5, right? And I'll go into that. Like, I buy a lot of stuff that sells in a day or two that I make a few dollars on. And there's also things that sell in a week or a month that I make $20, $30, $40 on. So I make good profit margins. I'm not just sitting in things that are selling for $1. I'll get into that in future videos. But the profit margins that I see are better on eBay than they are on Amazon, just because I can find cheaper stuff, basically used stuff. You can't really sell used stuff on Amazon. You can, and I have sold a bit, but not a lot. You can sell used stuff on eBay, and usually you can find that used stuff for very, very cheap, and a few dollars, $10, whatever, and then sell it for 10 times that amount. So I've done that so many times on eBay. I started with eBay. It's been my bread and butter for the past 3-4 years that I've been doing this. But now that I'm doing this full time and I have nothing else distracting me, full time into eBay, full time into Amazon, full time into YouTube, I have time to do this now. So my goals for eBay is to make $1,500 in November, okay? And let's just say December as well, because I want to make $1,500 each month. I want to do the same with Amazon. So I want to make $3,000. And some of you might be thinking, man, those are horrible numbers. Why would you want to only do $3,000? Some might be thinking, man, $3,000, that's pretty good. If you can do $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 a year extra. That's pretty good. It all just depends on where you're at in your business and where you want to be. For me, I've been making consistently $2,000 the past 3 months. This will be the 4th month that I do it. So if I can make $3,000 starting in next month in November, it'll be my first full month as a full-time reseller, right? If I can make $3,000 in November and December and carry that over into next year and make $3,000 and then go to $4,000 into Q4 next year, that's really my goal. That's where I want to hit. I'll talk about goals for 2020 in another video, but for Q4, I do want to do $3,000. And I feel like that's something that's really obtainable. I could say I want to push to 4,000, but that's really doubling everything. And at the current moment, like right now, I don't have enough capital. I was actually just thinking about this. I don't have enough capital to go out and buy everything I want. I really wish I did, but I just don't. And even with recurring payments coming in each and every day from Amazon and a few coming in from eBay, I just don't have the amount of money that I wish I had. If I had to give you a number right now of what I wish I had, it'd be $10,000. If I had $10,000 or even like a credit card available, I probably have like $20,000 line of credit on my credit cards, but I don't want to do that. I really don't want to use that. It's very risky, and I feel like I can make the money back, but it just doesn't feel right to me to put that much on a credit card. I do have balances on a credit card, but I pay them off each month, so I don't have a problem with like putting $1,000 on a credit card and paying it off the next week because I make that $1,000 back plus some. So I don't really have a problem with that, but I don't want to put an excess amount, and if I don't make the money back, say the Q4 it just doesn't work. I just don't have as much as I thought I would. I don't really want to be paying interest payments because that would be really, really bad. So that's my goal, is $3,000 to say the least. I want to make $3,000. Let me know, like, again, your sales goals. These are profits, not sales. I do want to increase that. Another thing is increasing the amount of products sold. So if you guys, I'm going to switch over to Amazon here. If you guys sell on FBA, if you've been selling on it for a year, 5 years, 6 months, you know it's very, very difficult to get ungated in the big brands, Disney, Marvel, Nike, Adidas, all the big brands, right? You know what I'm talking about if you're an Amazon seller. So my goal is to increase my product sales. That way, hopefully I can get to that threshold that it needs to be at. We don't know what the threshold is, but more sales, more consistency, good ratings, all that stuff. I have one bad rating on a listing because something got damaged in the mail. It said horrible, box damaged, box crunched, and they wouldn't remove it. It sucks. But I have a 95% rating on Amazon right now, so still very good. My metrics are good. Everything's in good standing. I've never had a problem other than like a few trademark issues. But other than that, I haven't really had any issues with Amazon, and I have slowly been getting ungated in a bunch of brands. Like I can sell, the biggest one I think I can sell now is Nerf. I do sell a lot of Nerf guns when they get to Ross and TJ Maxx and stuff like that. But I'm still just not able to sell the main brands like Marvel, like Adidas and Nike and stuff like that. So I really want to increase my product sales. This month I have done that. I have 250 units sold this month, and we still have 5 days left in the month. When I'm filming this, I still have 5 days left in the month. So I'm hoping to push 300 units. My goal, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hit this. Yet again, this is a capital issue. I don't have enough money, but I would love to do 500 units on Amazon in December and November. I don't know how feasible that's going to be because I don't know how much product I'm actually going to have. It really just depends on these next few weeks, whatever I send in. I'm not sure how much money I'm going to have. If I can sell, I put a bunch of my personal items up for sale on eBay to hopefully get a few $100s recouped. That way I can put it all into this business and kind of go all in. Like I said, I'm doing this full time. This is my business. This is my life now. And I'm going to put the work in. I'm going to put the effort in. And I want to make this an amazing quarter4. And hopefully I can. And I believe I can. So those are my goals, guys. I really would just want to increase sales and increase profits and increase product sales. Obviously, that's something that everyone wants to do. Let me get a drink of water real quick, guys. This is the 4th video I've shot in a row, so my voice is I'm kind of losing my voice. I realized I never put my hat back on. We're going to go hatless this video. But that's really what I want to do. It's quite simple. You just got to put in the work. Like I said, there are some limitations to this. Being the capital issue, I don't have thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars to spend. And if I did, I would definitely be hustling right now. I'd be out buying stuff. I just don't have a lot of money left. I probably have, I think, $300 to $400 left that I can spend right now. But it's just an issue. You know, it's an issue that new businesses have. I have credit cards that I could use, like I said, but I don't think that's a good idea. I actually want you guys to comment down below. Do you have outstanding balances on your credit card? Or do you have like a substantial amounts that you put on to use for products? I'm not saying for your personal use, but for products, for your business. And I know a lot of people do that, and I do that, but I think I have like a $2,000 balance right now, and that's it. And I can easily get that back. I'll easily get that back here in the next few weeks. That way I can just rotate it or put it back into my business, which I do. I do that on a daily basis. I get, a few $100s back in, depending on how good Amazon was. So it really just depends on how much money I can get, is really how high I can go. If I can get $10,000, could I push that $4,000 mark? Maybe. I don't know yet. But hopefully I can get to that point and I can figure it out, and hopefully some of the items I have sell, so I can maybe get an extra $1,000 this month to put towards inventory. So I've been doing a lot of restructuring in my business, trying to find more items that will sell and sell quicker, and kind of price, even if I need to price things lower and make maybe no profit, maybe lose some money, or maybe make minimal profit, to where I can get that money back and flow it back into the company for this Q4. So let me know what your guys are doing, what your strategies are to get more money for this holiday season. If you guys are good, you guys got a lot of money, you guys want to do some sales, let me know your goals. I would love to hear it. And like I said, I want to make a community here, guys. So feel free to say anything down below. I'll always get back to you, and hopefully I can help you guys out. If I can, I definitely will. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button. So I hope you guys are having an amazing month reselling, and that your businesses are continuing to grow. And I hope that you guys have an amazing Q4. Everyone deserves it. You guys are working hard. So just continue to work, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.